A gardener's delight. Introducing the Foxglove. Digitalis, fondly known as Foxglove, is a true showstopper in any garden. These enchanting plants have been adored by gardeners for centuries, not just for their beauty, but also for their historical significance and medicinal properties. With their tall, elegant spires and vibrant, bell-shaped flowers, they bring a touch of drama and whimsy to any flower bed. Their striking appearance can transform a simple garden into a magical landscape, reminiscent of fairy tales and enchanted forests. Imagine a gentle summer breeze rustling through their petals as bees buzz happily amongst their blooms. The sight and sound of bees visiting these flowers add a lively and dynamic element to your garden, promoting biodiversity and the health of your local ecosystem. It's a sight that truly captures the essence of an English garden. The classic charm of foxgloves, with their nostalgic appeal, evokes memories of traditional cottage gardens and serene countryside landscapes. Foxgloves are not just beautiful, they are also surprisingly versatile. They can be used in various garden settings, from formal flower beds to wild, naturalistic plantings. Their adaptability makes them a favorite among gardeners who appreciate both aesthetics and practicality. They thrive in a variety of conditions and come in a range of colors, from pure white to deep purple and even shades of pink, yellow, and apricot. This diversity allows gardeners to choose the perfect hue to complement their garden's color scheme, ensuring there's a perfect foxglove for every gardener. Whether you prefer a monochromatic garden or a vibrant mix of colors, foxgloves can provide the perfect touch. Whether you're a seasoned green thumb or just starting out, this guide will equip you with everything you need to know to grow your own stunning digitalis. From planting tips to care instructions, we'll cover all the essentials to help you cultivate these beautiful plants successfully. So get ready to add a touch of elegance and charm to your garden with the magnificent foxglove. Origins and varieties. Where does foxglove come from? These enchanting flowers are members of the Plantaginacea family, a diverse group of plants known for their beauty and medicinal properties. They hail from various parts of Europe, Western Asia, and Northwestern Africa, where they have been admired for centuries. Their natural habitat often includes woodland edges, hedgerows, and open meadows, where they thrive in the dappled sunlight and well-drained soil. There are many different species and cultivars of digitalis, resulting in a captivating array of flower colors. Each species has its unique charm and characteristics. You can find foxgloves in shades of white, which often symbolize purity and elegance in garden design. Cream, yellow, and pink, each bringing a different mood and aesthetic to the garden. Red and purple, adding vibrancy and a touch of drama to any garden landscape. Some varieties even boast beautiful speckled patterns inside their bell-shaped blooms, adding to their charm and making them a favorite among gardeners and flower enthusiasts. With such diversity, you're sure to find the perfect foxglove to complement your garden's color palette. Whether you're looking to create a serene, monochromatic garden or a vibrant, multicolored display, foxgloves offer endless possibilities for creativity and design. Finding the perfect spot: sun, shade, and soil. Before you start planting, it's crucial to choose the right spot for your digitalis. While they appreciate a good amount of sunlight, they also thrive in partial shade, especially in hotter climates. Aim for a location that receives around 4 to 6 hours of sunlight daily. Well-drained soil is essential for healthy foxglove growth. These plants prefer slightly acidic to neutral soil pH. If your soil is heavy clay, amending it with compost or other organic matter will improve drainage and provide essential nutrients for your plants. Section 4. From seed to sprout. Planting your digitalis. You can start your digitalis journey by sowing seeds indoors or directly outdoors. For indoor sowing, start 6 to 8 weeks before the last expected frost. Scatter the seeds on the surface of seed starting mix and lightly press them in. If you're opting for direct sowing, wait until after the last frost and when the soil has warmed up. Sprinkle the seeds thinly over the prepared soil and lightly rake them in. Keep the soil consistently moist until the seedlings emerge. Section 5. Giving your foxglove space to thrive. In this section, we will explore the best practices for transplanting your foxglove seedlings to ensure they grow strong and healthy. Whether you've started your digitalis indoors or outdoors, transplanting seedlings into the garden is an essential step. This process helps the plants establish themselves in their new environment, giving them the best chance to thrive. Once the seedlings have developed a few sets of true leaves, they are ready for their permanent home in your garden. True leaves are a sign that the plant is mature enough to handle the transition. Space your foxglove plants 12 to 18 inches apart to allow for proper air circulation and growth. Adequate spacing is crucial as it prevents overcrowding, which can lead to diseases and stunted growth. Dig a hole slightly larger than the root ball and gently place the seedling into the hole. This ensures that the roots have enough room to spread out and establish themselves. Backfill the hole with soil, ensuring the base of the plant is level with the surrounding soil. Press the soil down gently to eliminate air pockets, which can hinder root growth. Water the newly planted seedling thoroughly to help it settle in. Consistent watering is key during the first few weeks after transplanting. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged to encourage strong root development. With proper care, your foxgloves will soon become a stunning addition to your garden. Section 6. Water wisely, keeping your Digitalis hydrated. Consistent watering is crucial, especially during the first year after planting. Digitalis prefers moist but well-drained soil. Water deeply and regularly, especially during dry spells. Avoid overhead watering, as it can lead to fungal diseases. Instead, water at the base of the plant, directing the water towards the roots. Mulching around the plants can help retain soil moisture and reduce the need for frequent watering.